In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload files to Google Drive. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Drive app on our iPhone or Android device. Now here at home page we can see recently created and uploaded files here. And now to start uploading a new file, all we have to do is just hit right here at this plus. Here we can tap at upload file, but first off I recommend you to create a folder in which you will upload your files later. I'm gonna hit add create folder, I'm gonna just name it test and hit add create. As soon as I've created a folder, I need to get into it first. To do that, I'm gonna head over to files here, just tap right there. That's where we can easily find our folder, we can get into it, and after that, to start uploading files here, we need to tap at that button and select upload file. Now guys, if you would like to upload a photo or a video from your camera roll, you need to choose the first option. That will move you to your albums. We can just head over to recents to switch it to that view, and from here we can select several files, just one file or multiple files which you would like to upload, and then to continue just hit right here at upload. I cannot do so because I don't have enough storage space here, but it works in that way. However, if you would like to upload another type of file, such as maybe PDF, Word document, MP3 file that are stored on your iPhone internal storage, you need to tap at Browse first. That will open up Files app, and now here we need to search for our file. I'm gonna get to that folder. Here I got some images, I got a PDF file, also here we have a video file, and then in the same way we can select a file for uploading, and it will start uploading right here to that selected folder. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.